DLF is the tall boy in today's session, pulling the Nifty up higher, 4.5% up for that one. It's not a heavy weight, but still doing very well for itself in today's session. Metals generally have not had a bad day. So Jindal Steel, Hindalco, for example, have done very, very well. I think some of the smaller steel names too have done reasonably okay for themselves in today's session. That aside, there's strength in PNB, BHEL, as well as JP Associates. Incidentally, BPCL too has gained 2.5%. I think the newsmaker in today's session has to be Infosys. We've headlined it as well, and for the reasons, of course, that everybody knows. V-Bala's exit has led to the stock declining by close to 2%. Didn't have a material impact on the ADR, but the stock is definitely down 2%. Maybe there could be some reaction today evening. But that's the top loser in trade, followed by Tata Power. But I think, what DLF is doing on the large caps is what some of the mid-cap names are doing in the mid-cap space as well.
And for the rupee, you continue to see quite a bit of pressure for the second straight day. So you've got it trading at a three-day high, as we speak, at 61.9 to the US dollar. We're the second best Asian currency today, and you do have the rupee seeing marginal gains coming on the back of the fact that there's dollar sales by banks as well as exporters. The dollar index, mind you, that's continuing to decline for the second straight day. We're pretty much done with the thick of all of the macroeconomic activity with respect to the RBI policy that came in, the WPI, CPI and IIP data. Meantime, the bond yields, they continue to edge low, albeit very marginally. They're consolidating at close to a three-day low. Okay, and in terms of the equity markets, as we speak, the momentum does seem rather intact, and it's continuing to remain touch and go with the 6,300 mark.